on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be unboxing another kitchenware appliance from the Drew Barrymore Beautiful Collection. Today I have the 14-cup digital rice and grain cooker. The color is corn flour blue, and it says it makes perfectly cooked fluffy rice every time. It makes up to 14 cups of fluffy rice. It has 8 presets: white rice, brown rice, grains, quinoa, risotto, steam, slow cook, and cauliflower rice. It also has a removable aluminum pot with ceramic non-stick coating for easy cleanup. So it makes rice and more. It has 8 preset functions. It has a hinged lid that stays open for easy serving. Accessories include steam tray / egg cooker, rice paddle, and rice measuring cup. It has an automatic warm setting. It switches on once cooking is done and lasts up to 12 hours. Touch activated display. The screen illuminates only when you need it. The hinged lid stays open for serving, and the inner lid is removable for easy cleaning. And it has cool touch handles for easy portability. The additional features: delay start, schedule rice or grains to cook for up to 24 hours in advance, and it has long-lasting matte finish. Okay guys, now it's time to unbox it. Okay guys, so here is the rice cooker. I'll show you what's inside in a minute. I love the color, the cornflower blue. The bee is trimmed in gold, and also the button on top. I'll show you what's inside in just a minute. So it comes in the box. You have a quick start guide. You also have a card so you can register your product, and you also have your manual. We also have a cup to measure your rice and also a rice paddle. So to open it, you just press the button and it pops up. So on the inside, you have your steam / egg cooker tray. And here is your ceramic bowl. And as you can see, the measurements are on the inside of your bowl. Okay guys, I wanted to show you underneath. It has where you can wrap the cord around for easy storage. Okay guys, so here is the power button. We're just going to go ahead and press it. Here you have mode and white rice. I'm going to press mode. Now you have a delay start. You have brown rice, quinoa, grain, steam, risotto, and slow cook. Okay guys, so as you know, I have a lot of Drew Barrymore's appliances. I have almost all of them, and I'm satisfied with each piece. I will be making a video so I can learn how to work this, and I will be doing it step by step so you guys can see. I'll give you my review and my honest opinion on this rice cooker. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?